Primetime News this evening. The country placed on dengue alert. Contract signed and work to begin on long-awaited Troy Bridge. And a new Court of Appeal president sworn in.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special hello to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And later in the business news, consumer confidence is down.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jerry?
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, the West Indies in the second test against England, well, same treatment. Bowlers struggling on the opening day. And much has been said on social media this week about Janelle Brumfield. Yes, well, we have her in our Olympic look ahead. So join us a bit later on for those.
I have to watch that. No words.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the Reggae Boys
Yes, correct.
falling to 59 in the latest FIFA ranking? I thought that word was failing for some reason. I don't know why.
Falling, yeah. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica. And
you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.